My name is Lara and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to do two looks with one palette. One is going to be a completely natural-ish look, maybe better described as a daytime look instead of natural. And then one's going to be this super sultry, sexy nighttime look. And the palette we're going to use today is the Decay Naked Heat palette. This is one of my most favorite palettes ever. It's just so full of warm tones, which who can't get enough of all the warm eyeshadows and all that stuff. So if you'd give me a follow on Instagram and even subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that I pop up in your newsfeed, as I am a brand new YouTube channel. I will be doing tips and tricks, all things beauty, makeup, all that drama free. So if you could subscribe, and let's get into this tutorial. Okay, to start the look off, I've already done my brows and my eyelid primer. I do have a video on how to do my brows. If you'd like to see that, just click on the card above. I'm taking the shade Low Blow on a firm blender brush and just putting that through the crease as our transition colour. Then on a regular eyeshadow brush, I am going in with the shade Cayenne, just on the outer V at a diagonal kind of angle, as you can see. And then taking a fluffy blender brush and blending that out. The more you pack the pigment on with the shadow brush, the easier it is to have that pigment on the lid, and then you can go in and blend it out and just kind of blend it into the crease and just around to get that nice shape. Then taking that shadow brush again and going in with the shade Lumber, just for a little bit of shimmer, but nothing too crazy, as this is trying to be a daytime look. And then back in with the fluffy blending brush and a bit more of Cayenne on there, just to deepen up the outer V again. Then I am going in with my Giorgio Armani foundation, Luminous Silk foundation, sorry, with my beauty blender, and I'm in the shade number 4, which is a nice neutral shade, as I'm more on the neutral side. And then, as you can see, I've just kind of taking an angled brush with the foundation on it just closer to my brows, as they were already done to begin with. Now going in with my Jeffree Star Magic Concealer, I'm highlighting under the eyes, down the nose and on my forehead, and going in with a deeper shade of the same concealer because the other one is too blinding white to be for my skin tone. And I'm just going to pop those in the same areas and blend them out with my beauty blender. Now taking my Jeffree Star powder just to set the under eye concealer with a blending brush. My Becca Opal highlighter, the poured one, just going in just for a subtle highlight. Then my face powder, which is also the Jeffree Star powder. Now for some brow gel, because my brows were looking pretty gross and falling around everywhere. And now going in with my Nars Laguna bronzer to warm up the cheeks. Define the face, and not forgetting the forehead either, or in my case my 5 head. And then I'm going in with blush. This is Nars Deep Throat, and just a quick squirt of MAC Fix Plus to settle all those powders down. Oh, and quick tip, don't get that in your eyeball because it stings like a bitch. And now going back to the eyes, I'm taking a crease detail brush with Low Blow again, just on the first half, outer half of my eye, connecting the outer V colour up on the top lid, and then with a little pencil brush going in without the nice highlight shade for an inner corner highlight. Bit of a drink break of my coffee and skipping ahead for some reason to my lips. This is by Sleek Cosmetics. I don't know, can't remember which one. This one is called Birthday Suit, and it is a nice pinky, more pinky nude. It's not quite nude, not quite full on pink. And that was me remembering to do mascara. This is just the Revlon mascara 2-in-1 volume, whatever it is, I'll list it down below. And I just like to coat my lashes in this a few times without forgetting the bottom lashes as well, because I feel like my look is not completed without my bottom lashes done. And that is the daytime look you've got there, our look number 1. Just have a bit of a pose, a bit of a drink of my coffee. Oh yeah, that's right, it was cold and time to throw that out. Yeah, that was not good. Now, moving on to the nighttime look, I am taking on the Firm Blender brush again. This is the shade, I think this is Low Blow again, actually. Or is it Cayenne? No, this is Cayenne. Sorry. Yeah, so for this look, I wanted to really blow it out to be almost like a smoky eye, with concentrating the bulk of the colour towards the inner corner, as my eyes are a little bit wider apart than normal. This will just help to bring the eyes together some more. So if your eyes are quite close set, do not bring it up as high up to the inner corner as I am. You want to focus that on the outer corner. So now I was just testing a lip color to see which one will be best, and I'll get to that soon. But now taking a eyeshadow brush with the shade Enfuego, just on the outer V to darken that up some more, as we are wanting to go in a bit more dramatic for the nighttime. And also going in with Ashes, which is another darker, deep shade. It's more of a purpley brown. And I'll just keep patting that on and layering it, bringing it as far in as I want to go as possible. The slower you do it in little baby steps, the easier. So packing it on, blending, packing it on, blending. So for me, it wasn't dark enough, so I did take more Ashes and kind of brought it on the diagonal again, almost like an eyeliner. Then I went in with Dirty Talk, which is another shimmery shade, a bit deeper than Lumber. And then for some more dimension, I took Ounce on the pencil brush again that we used on the inner corner and put it on the center of the lid. And then for the under eyes, went back in with He Devil and underlined the eyes, smoked it out the tiniest bit, and then going in with an eyeliner because we are doing lashes. I just wanted to keep the lash line nice and dark, so I'm not doing a wing or anything, just a nice solid line across the lid. And now to tight line, I'm just using my MAC Black Track eyeliner. It's in a little pot, it's a gel liner, which will make it just that bit easier to stay on the tight line. And if you've never done it before, be prepared, it is a bit uncomfortable. Same with outlining your waterline down the bottom here. That took me a while to get used to. It's still not the best feeling in the world, which I swear it shouldn't really be a thing, but here we go. Now for lashes, just going in with my lashes. These are XO Beauty lashes. I'll mention down below which ones they are because I cannot for the life of me remember which ones they are. And if you don't have one of these little tools to help you with your lashes, you need to get one. I always use tweezers. I never thought spending the money on them was worth it, but holy crap, it is worth it. And I always go in after I've stuck them down and pinch my lashes together with my natural lashes. And now just taking off my old lips and putting on some new lips. So I decided to go in with my Kat Von D liquid lip in Lolita. This looks nice and dark on my skin tone. And there you have the night look. So there you have it. That was my 2 looks with the one palette. I'm thinking of furthering this as a series. If that interests you, then give me a thumbs up and comment down below maybe what palettes you'd like to see in the future. I'm open to all requests. So if you want to see more from me, don't forget to subscribe and turn those post notifications on, and I'll see you in my next video.